Hello folks, so today we are going for a long ride after a real long time,
Yeah, for me at least it's quite long since I've actually gone for a
and we hope to go to town side and have a breakfast, good breakfast,
good breakfast. Irani breakfast.
which we will share with you. Chal, let's go. So we have now touched the Dadar circle and we will now go straight towards VT. I think we will reconnect when we touch the Crawford Market. Today the roads are really empty because I think so it's a holiday. So we have reached the Crawford Market and now we will proceed towards, the plan is to go towards Colaba Causeway. Actually we have done a video on Crawford Market from inside. If you want, you can have a look at it if you have the time. So now we have reached the Metro Theatre, which is really a heritage building, and now we will proceed to Colaba Causeway. We have reached VT. This is the VT Chowk with the famous BMC building in the background. So immediately after CST, we have come on the DN road. I love this road because of the lovely structures that you can see, which were all built during the British times in India. It's a beautiful structures on both sides of the road. This is the continuation of the DN road. And at the end of the DN road, we will touch the Flora Fountain. So this is the Flora Fountain. And from the Flora Fountain, we will move towards Gateway of India. We have now reached the Gateway of India, which is always a beautiful sight to see. The sun is just rising and I think we have cycled for almost 45 minutes to an hour. And just opposite is this magnificent structure, the Taj Hotel. And that's the new building of the Taj. This is also a lovely sight just besides the Gateway of India. You'll see hundreds of these fishing boats and boats which go towards Alibag.
We are at Gateway of India and we are enjoying the breeze. Post this, I think we'll have to have a very nice breakfast. So we're looking out for restaurants. I think one of the Irani restaurants we'll try. Depends. We want to go to Cafe Mandigar, we want to go, try Khayani. So let's see, wherever we get a place, we are going to
Margin.
Yeah.
Here to Mondegar because normally they have a lovely breakfast, but it's not yet open today. I think so there's one more hour, so we will try some other location. So we have come to Leopold Cafe, which is actually walking distance from the Mondegar. This is the interior of Leopold. Leopold and Mondegar have a different vibe, and I really love them because it's early in the morning, so it's not very crowded. But normally you have to wait if you have to get into Leopold. So here's Nandita's breakfast has arrived. She ordered for a scrambled egg or anda burji as it is called with pav, and now I am waiting for my keema. Well, my breakfast has arrived. I didn't expect so much quantity. Nevertheless, I'll give it a try.
Let's go to my office, take a picture there, and then we'll go home. Is that okay?
Yeah, okay. We are now off to Nandita's office, which is very close by. So see you there. So this is where we are. This is Nandita's office. This is where she spends the whole week. So guys, that's it for today. I think so we have been cycling for more than 3 hours now. So we'll end the video and we are heading towards home.
Please like, share and subscribe to our videos and encourage us. Leave your comments. Until the next time, bye.
Bye bye.